Okay, and after returning to the last condition, this ABB robot, we do have the alarm 5286 SMB memory data difference. That memory is below the robot. So what we are gonna do is to go to calibration, grab the status. By the way, the menu is right here when you click or tap the ABB icon, and then you have calibration, ROB 1, and then we have SMB memory. We're gonna see the status, okay, and let's do an update. Okay, we can clear the SMB memory, or go back. Oh, sorry. Okay. Or we can try just by setting the serial measurement board or SMB memory. Has been replaced. This needs to be only done if you have a different serial number and install that on the robot. But let's try this. Okay. Let's reset.
Got it?
We still have the alarm, and there you go. Now we have in manual mode, and we are going to try to move the robots in this condition. Okay.